Hi, in front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section on the left at the top. Then, to create a new alarm, select this plus at the bottom. Now set up an hour. When you're ready to save it, click on OK in Select Time pop-up. Then you can adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. If you wish to exclude a date, click on this plus next to pause alarm, pick a date and save it by hitting OK. You can always remove it by tapping on Remove button next to it. Now click on this plus next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm or remove it from it, and click on the bell. Now you can click on YouTube Music or Spotify at the top, log into one of your accounts, or select Sound next to YouTube Music and click on Add New under your sounds. Now tap on the song that you wish to add and go back. If you don't want to do any of that, just tap on one of the available sounds and click on the back button. Now tap on this icon at the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, use the switcher next to it. And to turn it back on, click on the same, now gray one. In order to edit your alarm, click on the top right corner to make all settings visible and change wherever you wish to. After changing an hour, remember to hit OK. If you wish to delete your alarm instead, click on Delete at the bottom left corner. You can always click on those three dots at the top right corner of Alarm section. Click on Settings and manage all of those under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!